I sing songs by a woman named Sista Monica Parker, who's a deceased but fabulous blues singer who was winning awards just post-mortem. And I sang with her in Santa Cruz, California, and I'm very honored to be able to introduce her songs to people who don't know her. So this song is called "The Fierce Force of Nature." Hope you like it. I'm a fierce force of nature. Honey, don't you count me out. Don't you take my love for a weekend. Like a lion I roar and shout. You mess with me and I'll take you by the collar and make you jump up and scream and dance. You wanna holler and wipe the sweat from your face with your hand. 'Cause I'm a fierce force of nature. I rock and roll with funk beat. I'm a fierce force of nature. Clap your hands, get up on your feet. I'm a fierce force of nature, and even I don't believe the hype. Everybody smiling in my face, trying to stab me with a knife. They messed with me and I took them by the collar and made them jump up and scream and dance. You wanna holler and make you sweat, dance with your hands. 'Cause I'm a fierce force of nature. I rock and roll with the funky beat. I'm a fierce force of nature. Clap your hands, get up on your feet. I'm a fierce force of nature. I've never been the salt of the earth.